All my dear students for online class. On today's class, I am going to discuss with you one of the short story written by Premchand. Premchand has written a more than 300 short story. So this is also one of the short story. The chess player. The chess player in Urdu language called the another name Shantranja K. Khilari. This is in a historical story related to the period, medieval Indian history period. Muslims in the medieval Indian history, Muslims are ruled in India. Number of Jagirdars are there. So here also two Jagirdars are there, that are Mirza Sajjad Ali and Mir Rosh Mir Roshan Ali, and they are the Jagir of the Lucknow city. Lucknow city is a very famous city. On this city, number of the peoples are there, youngsters, old people, rich, low class people. Number of the peoples are there. Everyone they are the busy in their works. They are enjoy some of the time. You know, love of pleasure dominated in every aspect of life. Everyone are happy to lead a life. To everyone they are doing their own works, what their works they are doing out there. But here of the two characters are that are you are looking at Mirza Sajjad Ali and Mir Roshan Ali. Two are very expert in playing a chess. They are most of the time while today we are discussing that chess is one of the intellectual game. It is a mind game. When we play the chess to sharpen our the mind and to improve our mental power, improve our mental power, and help to solve the difficult problems. That's why the playing we are the playing the chess. But those two persons in a day, most of the time they are spent playing the chess. Every morning after the breakfast, they both are close friends. They started to playing the chess. Everyone set the board and start to the playing the chess. They never think of the when it was noon, afternoon, evening. They never look at that. Most of that they are engaging in the playing a chess. If anyone are disturb him, they are just neglect that words. If both us have a family is there, both us have wives are there, but whatever the sent by the inside the home, these two persons neglected that and continue to play of that. They playing the chess. There's to have the good family are there, but both are also jagirdars, but they don't have any problems. They don't have any done the to solve the any problems. Just they are the entertainment, the good life, happy life. They left the responsibility. They are just wasting their times. Only the well the most of the day just they are playing the chess. And one of the thing is in a Muslim period, one of the habit is that is afim. It is the most popular thing to most of the peoples are using the afim. So here have the Mir Roshan Ali also having having a of him, and the number of the family members are comments on their play. It's a one of the unauspicious game and can run the families. Good for it. Anyone should get addicted, but it was person unfit to anything. Means this it is a one of the serious disease addicted by the both us. They never done the response of their family works, and the vacation time also they are the busy in there playing the chess, and number of the servants are just they are done in a right time, they are not eating or they are not drinking a food and water also. Means that much more are involved in the playing the chess to make a checkmate each others. One day Begum Mirza Begum is called, she is suffering from the headache, so she called the Mirjas, come and bring the medicine from the Hakim. But Mirza said, okay, yes, I'll bring the medicine, but he didn't done the work immediately. So Begum was become angry. While she was angry on that mood, she told that if you not bring the medicine, I'll bring the medicine. At that time, I interacted with enter the Mir Roshan Ali. Stop the playing the game. You first bring the medicine from the Hakim. But Mirza told, in the next two moves, I will be checkmated to you. Then I go to the Hakim and bring the medicine. And continue the Roshan Ali is saying that no, I am not move anyone pan. So first you bring the medicine. At that time, Ali was saying that Mirza said that yes, you are disturbing me. If I go outside, you are change the game. So I am not going anywhere. Just I sit and I checkmated to you. So Ali was both us are Mir Roshan Ali was one of the excellent chess player. In a some of the time, Begum says to the uh, Mir Roshan Ali, Mir is a one of the spoilless person. Just he spoil the person, spoiling the persons to other persons. But Mirch is a one of the possible person. He is a one of the responsible person. He can do anything, but he is spoil your life some of the time, and Begum is blamed to Mir Sahib. While end of the game, both are Mir Roshan Ali go to the went to home. Mirza Syed Ali is come inside. Mirza and Begum both are converted each other, do the some of the things, and she is started to blame Mirza's actions and don't play in our home. So on the promise of the Hazrat Hussain, so that he is not a Sahib, just he is a one of the great person. So, but you are looking at he was one of the god. It was a not a good said by Begum. On that time again Roshan Ali come back to the Mirza's home. Mirza come out and tell the all stories what they are conversation between the Mirza and Begum. All the story tell in front of the Roshan Ali. And continue to the Mirza is asked the question where we shall play the game. Roshan is replied that don't worry, your home is very big size. We can play anywhere here. At that time, Mirza is tell to that in our home we are playing that our wife is terrible to her. If suppose she has also let me the last breath, so we are not play here. So we will be play on the another place. In a year of that, Premchand is mentioned the some of the things. First of all, the Afim is one of the illegal drink. While the using the Afim, it is a spoil the person's life. They wasted their lives. It is a not a good for health, but here of the when the persons are very free of time, they are using the Afim. Here the Mir Roshan Ali is using the Afim. Begum is said to that he is not a good and she is mentioned taken the word of that Mir. Mir is one of the spoil the person. Already he was a spoiled being a spoiled and spoiled to the others life also and try to convincing the her husband mind, but Mirza is never listen the words of the her wife, his wife. So try to the Premchand is telling to that in the middle of the in a medieval history, most of the Musalman Jagirdar just they are the leading a high and good or rich life. They never done the any responsible works. So in remaining the three scenes are there. We'll discussing on the next class. Thank you for watching this video.